beach ball right now and bring it to the DJ booth. Go, go, go. Everybody go find a beach ball. There's a lot back by the basketball hoops. There's probably some in the obstacle courses. There's beach balls everywhere. Go find a beach ball. Come on down. Have you guys ever heard of the game dodgeball? An absolute free-for-all. That means when we're gonna count down together and get it started off. But kids, that means you can take the ball, throw it at any other kid. You can take the ball, throw it at any adult in the bounce house. The adults aren't safe either. Adults, you can grab a beach ball and throw it at the kids. It's an absolute free-fall. We call it dodgeball chaos. Are you guys ready to play? Are you guys ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! That's right! Keep it going, dodgeball chaos, we're playing for 1 minute! DJs are safe. Kids versus adults, go, go, go! Adults, if you think you won that game, let me hear you make some noise. This is your last chance, kids, for ice cream. If you think you won the game, let me hear you scream! The winner is the kids! Kids win! Kids win! Kids win! Tell your parents to buy you ice cream! Let's start bouncing!
El sol que se te metió y no te deja de camino. Ya puedes bajar eso que vaya al control de la cadera. Y eso fue lo que
the Candy Cane Village. We want to stay super spread out for this game so we're safe, okay? If you see somebody fall down during this game, be a good friend and help them back up. We want to be as safe as we possibly can because it's about to get a little crazy in here. This game, I'm glad you asked. This game is called the highest jumper. So when I tell you to, do not start jumping yet, all you cheaters. I see you out there. We're gonna count down together. And when I say 1, I need you to jump as high as you possibly can for 1 minute straight. You have to jump for the entire minute, and the highest jumpers in the bounce house are gonna get a prize. Who thinks they're the highest jumper? Who thinks they're the highest jumper? Okay, okay, okay. Count it down with me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How high can you jump? How high can you jump? high jumpers over here. I'm looking over here. We got some high jumpers over here. I'm looking in the front. Okay, okay. Now, hands up like this while you jump. Hands up like this while you jump. Hands up. How high can you get? Keep going. Don't give up on me yet. 20 seconds left. You gotta jump for the whole minute. You gotta jump for the whole minute. Keep going. Here we go. 10 seconds left. Keep jumping. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Woo! Catch your breath. Oh yeah.
Break your leg, break the gun, break your leg, break them. Break your leg, break the gun, break your leg.
Now when he says bop, that just means bounce.
Break your leg, break the gun. Now I mean
Bounce, 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 bounce.
bop, 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 bop. Now I mean bop, bop,
Bop, bop, bop, bop, bop, bop. One more time, let me see you do it.
now watch me whip, hey. Now watch me nay nay.
Okay.
Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.
Why me do it?
Now watch me whip, kill it. Watch me nay nay.
Okay.
Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.
Okay.
Watch me. Ooh, watch
Now for
me,
this
watch
next
me.
one,
Ooh,
first off,
watch me.
I got a prize for the young lady. Has anybody heard of DJ Marshmallow? Anybody heard of the game Fortnite? Okay, for this next one, I'm gonna call out some Fortnite dance moves. I need you to do them with me. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. DJ Mikey C, hit it. For the first one, hand up like this. Put it into an L. Put it on your forehead. Kick your legs out like this. Yes. Give him that L. Next one, best mates. Next one, simulation. Next one, I need everybody on the ground. Do the worm right now. Everybody do the worm. Do the worm. Everybody do the worm. Look at all these worms in here. Look at all these worms. All right, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Next one, arm up like this, dab. Other arm up, dab. Now fast dab. Faster. Who can dab the fastest? 1, 2, 3, fast. Faster. Faster! Who can floss the fastest? Who's the fastest flosser? As fast as you can possibly floss! Okay, next one. Who knows Orange Justice? Orange Justice, show me! Okay. What about the Gritty? Who knows the Gritty? Someone do the Gritty right now, do it!
Argument, every word we can't take back. 'Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story.
Alright, I got got 2 prizes I gotta give out. Right here in the black Under Armour sweatshirt. Yes, yes, yes. You right here. Yeah, come here, come here, come here. Thanks for dancing. I appreciate you. And my man in the red Nike with the red tits. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come here, come here, come here. There you go. Nice job, nice job. Let's go. Turn down for what? Bounce! 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 Turn down for what? Oh yeah! Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Anybody know the Macarena? The energy in here today, it's amazing.
Ready under was in a cloud in the sky.
Cloud in the sky.
Waltzing with a mischievous grin. You're telling the story alright.
Sing it.
No says it looks like rain.
When you tell
In doing so, he floods my brain.
like it's the umbrella.
Buried in a hurricane.
Nice and loud!
We don't talk about Bruno.
What was that?
We don't talk about Bruno.
Yes!
I live in fear, Bruno stuttering and stumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of sand. Shh, shh, shh. It's a heavy load with the beat so humbling. Always at the bala and the family fumbling.
Kids, if you had a good time, let me hear you scream! All right, thank you guys so much for coming out. We hope you had a good time.
Give me 4 more, give me 4 more. Alright, y'all ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Y'all ready? Line up, line up. You ready? Line up. Come on.
Oh!
Where's mommy? Are you dead yet?
Yeah. My dad, I didn't know it was this.
It's an obstacle course. Huh? Obstacle course.
I didn't know.
Break through, y'all ready? Y'all ready? On 3, on 3. 1.
going, keep going, keep going.
What? You crazy?
Over there, past the little gate.
Woo!
Yeah. So nobody trip. Put your shoes inside. Thank you.
I did not know.
1, 2, 3, go.
Shoes on the side. Nobody trip.
Y'all ready?